Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 20-inch carry-on that this brand sent to me for this video. And in a little bit, we're gonna turn off the light so you can see this better. As you may be seeing right now, this one comes with LED eyes, which I think it is fantastic just to showcase your personality a little bit more. You know, this is not gonna be one of those normal, or I don't know, I want to say like the ones that regular carry-ons. This is gonna be one that is gonna showcase your personality, and you can do it all with this right here with the app. You can change all the eyes, you can change the light, you can change kind of like the whole setup. But the best thing is that this one is powered via a power bank that is not included with the package, and you're gonna put inside. Right now, I'm actually powering on with a surge protection that I have that comes with USB, because I don't have that power bank with me. I think I've lost it actually, and that's why you're gonna see a cable. But then you can actually put a power bank, put it inside of the actual case of the actual carry-on that comes with a special pocket for that, and it's not gonna bother you at all. And you're gonna turn it on and off from the outside. Best thing, you can actually charge your devices from the outside as well, because it comes with a USB-C port, so you can kind of like charge your phone if you want, if you're on the go, with that USB-C port that is connected to the actual power bank. Let's dive in. Turn off the lights right now. So first of all, let me show you the kind of like the space right here inside. Remember, you're gonna see a cable right here. This is how I have it connected right now, but only because I don't have that power bank. For the power bank, you're gonna connect it right here to the USB-C or USB-A. I'll open the zipper, put the power bank on, close the zipper, and you're all set. It also comes with a pocket right here for important things like your watch, your wallet, your phone, everything within easy reach. Then you're gonna close this one. It also comes with a mesh right here. And in here, you're gonna find a few things. Right there, you're gonna find the QR codes to connect the actual app. So you're gonna scan that QR code within the app, which is Loy Eyes. That's gonna be the app. And then you're gonna find a nice brochure right here inside of the actual backpack, and a bag to protect it if you wanna dispatch your carry-on. So that is also really good to have. And of course, it comes right here with more room right here, more space, and this straps as well as the wheels right here, silicone wheels, double silicone wheels actually. So this one spins in 360 degrees, and the extensible handle. But now let's actually dive in the important thing. Check that out. I think it's so awesome, and everything it's managed right here with the app. Let's actually go right here on the side. You can see I'm selecting some of this eyes right here. You can keep them on at all times. You can make them blink, or you can just kind of like do your own thing, you know. But this is the one that I really like. I do like this one. I do like this music mode one. I'm gonna go on the side so you don't see this kind of like the app, and it's actually focusing on that. But I do like that one just because then it's gonna actually do. I love this one. It's kind of like Evangelion now. So I do love that one, but then you have so many other ones. I do like how this one's gonna showcase your personality. And of course, the best thing is you can put this and then make it to be kind of like cycling, and it's gonna be passing from this one to the other one. You can see that that one is passing, so you're not gonna be seeing the same all the time. But again, having this at the airport is gonna actually cost you, everyone sees you kind of like, I don't know, like see you a little bit different, but in a good way, you know, like, oh, that thing is really cool. And then probably they're gonna ask you where you got it. So I think that is really awesome to have. This by far is gonna be my new carry-on, 100% guarantee. Really good one with the power bank, good capacity, 20 inches, TSA approved, with the handle, the wheels, and everything that you need inside for that fantastic trip of yours.